The U.S. has broken another record for new COVID-19 cases in a 24-hour period. More than 180,000 people tested positive for the virus and more than 1,400 died. Nearly every state is seeing a spike in cases, prompting governments to bring in new restrictions. And as Jennifer Johnson explains, Americans are being warned to stay put this holiday season.
From North Dakota to Texas, California to Massachusetts, new cases of COVID-19 are sweeping across America. Governors, even Republicans, are ordering stringent new measures to get the virus under control, partially locking down their states and issuing mask mandates.
Our state is caught in the middle of a skyrocketing national COVID-19 storm.
North Dakota is not alone.
My executive order.
Idaho is deploying National Guard soldiers to help overwhelmed hospitals decontaminate and test patients. New York City, New Mexico, Oregon, and many others are clamping down on indoor activities.
I'm announcing a 2-week freeze for the entire state.
Colorado has declared the situation a level 1 emergency, its highest. California is among several states issuing travel advisories.
If I have 3 children, I have 5 grandchildren, and normally we do get together, either at Thanksgiving or Christmas, but not this year because of the COVID.
November is on track to be the worst month Americans have seen, but experts warn the surge will likely peak in January.
We're going to see by far the darkest days of this pandemic between now and next spring when vaccine becomes available.
Hospitals in at least 14 states have or are close to running out of room.
We're on what we call critical bed status. That means we have fewer than about 5 general medical beds available.
In many states, lines to get tested are stretching for blocks.
All of our appointments have been filling up to the point now that we're going to be adding another half day of testing starting next week.
Many experts are telling Americans to put a stop to small indoor parties and game nights. While few health officials are advocating for a nationwide lockdown, millions of businesses are getting hit again.
The restaurant industry as we know it is dead.
This latest surge of the virus is costing more people their lives and their livelihoods. Jennifer Johnson, Global News, Washington.